Hi, I'm Myra Dharti Mehra and you're watching me on E Times TV.
Hello everyone, we have Myra Dharti Mehra with us and she will be spilling some summer skincare secrets with us. The summers are here and we have Myra
Yeah,
telling us what to do and what not to do.
as you can see, my skin is basically giving you a lot of answers to the summers. My skin is very reactive, yeah, very sensitive. मतलब I अभी तो travel किया है चंडीगढ़ से तो this is traveling and this is summers. So yeah, ठीक है, it's okay.
Okay, so the first question is what are your top tips for choosing the right sunscreen for summer?
Yeah, be very thoughtful about that. I think you should consult your doctor or dermat before using it. I'm not saying it because of, matlab, irrespective of you are an actor or you're not a creative person or you are into corporate or whatever. But I think you should consult the dermat before using a sunscreen because I got very my skin reacted a lot. Even for an high-end brand I used, it did not suit me. Like it doesn't suit me at all. So I think before going to any sort of a sunscreen, please consult your doctor because sometimes your skin reacts in a certain way where you also don't know कि अच्छा I am allergic to this. Okay. So yes, please consult doctor before buying any sunscreen. And I think if it is oily, so then you have a lot of gel-based options. So yeah, go for it.
How often do you apply sunscreen and are there any common mistakes people make with sunscreen application?
Yes, you should apply your sunscreen. I think at least within 3 hours. But sometimes you're unable to get it because as some in my field I apply makeup while shooting. So I think there are a lot of spray bottles if you can buy that. Now there are a lot of sticks also which are coming कि आप मेकअप के ऊपर लगा सकते हो. So I think more or less 3 to 4 hours के बीच में आपको रीअप्लाई करना चाहिए. Otherwise you will be tanned as hell.
Does a skincare routine need to change in summer? If so, how?
Yes, yes, it should change in summer. You should drink a lot of water, especially to for your skincare. You should wash your face. अगर आपने makeup नहीं लगाया तो you should wash your face quite often in summers because sometimes sebum release बहुत ज़्यादा. मैं अगर अपनी बात बताऊँ तो sebum release बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. My skin is very oily. So it affects me, as you can see my skin, your. But yeah, you should because I think winters mein it's very Mumbai ka weather is at least quite friendly when it comes to winters because breezy bhi hota hai to it's good. But when it comes to summers, it's very more chappy as it's humid around us. So yes, you should increase your increase your face wash ka thing timings more often. You should do it.
What are some lightweight and hydrating products that are great for summer?
Um, yeah, I use lot of I use moisturizers which are not that oily. I think that is one problem which I face in summers a lot. Even in winters, I face people have a dry skin. I have a very oily skin when I wake up in the morning. So use gel-based sunscreens if possible if you have an oily skin. And when it comes to makeup, also I think use मुझे सो करना कभी भी मतलब आई एम नॉट जस्ट सेइंग इट मुझे कभी भी हाई एंड ब्रांड्स जो होते हैं ना मुझे कभी सूट नहीं किए हैं बट आई थिंक फॉर मी आई शुड बी अ एम्बेसडर फॉर मेबलिन नाउ आई थिंक आई हैव मैंने अपने हर इंटरव्यूज़ में अगर किसी को कहा है आई थिंक फॉर मी इट सूट्स मी द बेस्ट इनफैक्ट आई यूज़ इट even while I'm shooting. If you see me, if I have a makeup on my face, it's just Maybelline. That's it. Nothing else I apply. No mota Derma, Krylon or any sort of a brand because it doesn't suits me. उसमें कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो मेरे स्किन को रिएक्ट कर देती हैं and my skin just gets ruined. So I think you can use Fit Me. It's good. It's pocket friendly as well, by the way.
For people who sweat more in the summer, how can they keep their skin clean and breakout free?
Sweat more. I think sweating is good. अगर आप sweat कर रहे हो तो I don't sweat a lot, but sweating is good because it excretes your whatever the toxins are there. So don't be hesitant about it at all. People are, but it doesn't matter because I think your body is actually throwing out bad things from your body and people like me suffer a lot and then it comes like this. So just be happy, just wash your face as many times as you can. Just wash it without any face wash and everything. Just wash it with water, that's it.
Should people with oily skin still moisturize in the summer?
Yes,
And if so,
yes.
what kind of moisturizer?
Yes, gel based, very light moisturizer, you should use it. People have this misconception that not using moisturizers in summers are it's a best thing, but no, 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 no. Please use it while even sleeping also. People don't use it and then you might just get affected, but please use moisturizers even in the morning and even at night. Very necessary for your skin.
Do you have any tips for keeping makeup looking fresh on a hot summer day?
Drink a lot of water, drink a lot of fruits, juices मतलब I'm not saying कि अच्छा खूब सारे पैसे खर्चा करो, no, but you can if you I know I don't want to say that, you can, but I think drink lots and lots and lots of water. I think हम सब ककड़ी वकड़ी तो खा ही सकते हैं, so I think you can use detox water as well. It affects, हाँ, मतलब वो भी बड़ा trend चला है, but actually it affects your day to day life and it affects your skin also in a good way. So please drink a lot of water, wash your face regularly.
Do you have any tips for keeping makeup looking fresh?
Oh, tips. यार fresh तो I think it is be happy, smile. You will be fresh and energetic throughout.
What are some easy ways to add a summer glow to your skin?
Easy ways to add summer glows. Eat during summers. Try to have lot of fruits and vegetable juices if possible. Eat lot of beetroot and orange. Very good.
Next question is a favorite. How can people take care of the lips to prevent chapping?
Use lot of lip balms. I love it. I think lip balm makes your lips look really pretty. I see my lips are looking really nice. Use lot of lip balms. Yes, I will also give you one thing. If at all you want, मतलब my mother usually gives me glycerin and beetroot mix करके आप रख लो and just apply it. Your lips will be really nice. कभी कभी होता है ना sun tan हो जाता है, lips पर भी होता है sun tan, so just be careful about it and you can use this. It's lovely.
Last question. Are there any after sun care rituals you recommend for soothing and repairing the skin?
If you have pimples and everything like that, yeah, I think just don't use. People have started using वो आते हैं ना pimple patches. Sometimes it ruins your skin because it's harsh ना. It says that कि next day तक आपका हो जाता है, हो भी जाता है because it has lot of salicylic acid और ये वो. But sometimes my skin reacts to it in a certain way where मुझे बहुत burn out हो जाता है वो जगह पर and it like the mark is still there on your face, so don't use it if it is not suiting it. मतलब don't be ashamed of your skin. It's okay, you can have pimples, you are human being and it is going to come. Just be confident, yaar, it's okay. Sometimes your skin is reacting to you in a certain way, just accept it and be happy about it.
Like you being an actress, like during summers, after you go home, before bedtime, what's your skincare ritual?
I have a habit which my mother has inculcated in me. Morning में भी मैं एक jug भर कर I try to have water. While coming back also because my dinner happens at 6:30 7 o'clock. तो while coming back also रात को ज़्यादा पानी पीकर सोना नहीं चाहिए, so don't do that. But जैसे मैं घर आती हूँ ना तो I have a habit कि my mother gives me 3 glasses of water. So 1 glass is which she has kept the whole day, वो जो कॉपर के ग्लास में हम रखते हैं ना, so वो 1 glass पानी आते से ही मम्मा उसी का देती है. Then secondly she tries to give me beetroot का juice in random with any fruit, या तो सिर्फ कभी कभी बीटरूट, कभी कभी होता नहीं है फ्रूट, तो मैं बोलती चलो डोंट नखरा ना. सो बीटरूट का जूस, सो दिस इज़ द सेकेंड ग्लास ऑफ वाटर एंड थर्ड ग्लास ऑफ वाटर इज समटाइम्स शी ट्राइज टू गिव मी सौंफ का पानी, इलायची का पानी. सो ये 2-3 जो चीज़ें ना विच मेक्स योर स्किन लुक्स. Soft elaichi is good when you have it in summers because it's cold, I think. So it makes your, and soft is good for your eyes also. So yeah, this 3 glasses of water my mama is very, and अब मम्मा नहीं भी थी जब चंडीगढ़ में, तो अब ये हैबिट बन गई थी. तो अगर ये नहीं मिलता था तो प्रॉब्लम होती थी. And in the morning one more thing you can add is with your warm water you can add a pinch of haldi in it. It adds up. Yeah. So ऐसे कुछ घरगुती नुस्खे मेरी मम्मा यूज़ करती रहती हैं.
So there you go, everyone. Here's how you can take care of your skin during
Yes.
the summers. And Myra has spilled it all. Thank you so
Yes,
much.
everything I've spilled it, huh?
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Great being with you, great talking to you.
Same here.